Afzan from India.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you, Sheikh?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How can I help you today?
Okay, so my question is, my mom owns a dog, and at one point the dog went from one of our water buckets. Due to this, we consider that the bathroom floor and all that is contact with is impure. Also, there is a specific mat for the dog to urinate on it at the entrance of the bathroom, and family members walk on it when it is wet, and go inside in the bathroom. So
What did the dog do to your daughter?
Not my daughter. The dog once drank from one of our water buckets.
What did he do in one of your water bucket?
Drink from it.
Okay, so what did you do with the water bucket?
Nothing.
No, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, when a dog licks in one of your utensils, you have to pour away and dispose of what was in it, wash it 7 times with water and once with soil. So you get soil from the ground and you wash it with it, and that would purify it. This is restricted to the dog's licking in utensils. The most authentic opinion, if the dog licks your hand, if the dog licks your clothes, you just wash them off normally as you wash other najasat. Similarly, the dog's urine is najis, impure, but its impurity is like human urine. So you just wash it off. You don't need to wash it 7 times and once with soil. This is only limited to when a dog licks in one of your utensils. And of course we have to remind the viewers that owning a dog and keeping it as a pet in your home is one of the major sins in Islam. Because the angels of mercy would not enter your home, and every day the equivalent to Mount Uhud. How big is Mount Uhud? It's a huge mountain. So the equivalence to Mount Uhud of your own good deeds would be deducted every day. And I highly doubt that you and I would have the amounts that would suffice a single day, let alone a long period of time. May Allah protect us.